Me fi stop, tell Shorty fi allow me too. Zine, tell her fi allow me too. Tell her auntie fi stop walk the obia them where them a walk pan me. Because Shorty family them not bad like my family.
I know you say you don't have no regrets.
Regrets, yeah.
But is there anything you thought you could do better? What was one of those things?
Watch Short Boss Pussy more.
Thinking catches Pretti than arm of a dial, nastiness, dog shit, liar crosses gal.
Lisa Hype, choke back not up. Like when you ever say when you're not up with hard for tangle, so Lisa Hype choke back them not up with sperms. Choke back away you not have. You not have no choke back. The amount of mileage you pick up in your whole hole.
Hi guys, welcome back to Tea Time with Tea. In today's video, we're going to talk about Lisa Hype versus Shawty, Lisa Hype versus Nuffy, Rosal versus Lisa Hype, and then finally, Pretti versus Blamdem. So if this is your first time on my channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest updates. Leave a comment and share. Vybz Kartel went on Drink Champs. Finally, the full episode is out on their YouTube channel, by the way. But, you know, we've been seeing clips for the entire week. So they asked him a question. Since you've been in prison, what could you have done better? What do you regret doing? You wouldn't believe what he said. Check this out.
If there's anything you will, I know you say you don't have no regrets.
Regrets, yeah.
But is there anything you thought you could do better? What was one of those things?
Watch Short Boss Pussy more. Like, I should have put dudes on her like private eyes, like undercover fucking agent to watch the pussies. That's valuable at the time. At the time, and I'm gonna be honest. When I met Sidem, that's my current fiance now.
Right.
It was 2015, July 25th.
Yeah, I met while you was in jail.
Yeah, in prison. And at that time, me and Shorty was going through a lot. Because remember, I'm in prison, I'm fighting Graves' disease. Even now I have it. That's why I wear my shades, because sometimes, like even now we're smoking, my eyes, it will irritate me, my eyes will get swollen.
Wow.
Yeah, straight up. Because we're human. Yeah.
Obviously, Shorty saw that interview. She posted a picture in this cute little red dress. You know, her outfit looked nice. But it was the caption that caught everybody's attention, including Lisa. The caption says, "Queen don't compete with hoes. He will always love me." You see, after that, it come like he lick Lisa Hype head. She make a bag of pose. The first one say, "Queen don't fuck every man at Gregory Park and Christian Penn pan the train line. Queen don't make them auntie Dottie Angela use obia for all them baby father. Queen don't fuck their baby father's enemies." Jesus Christ. She continues, there's more. "Queen don't tell every man them fuck about them and them baby father sex life. And if you're bad, test the water and see if me no start call names. One, see them," and she tagged see them. So after that, no, Nuffy stepped into the chat. Nuffy sent out a message and I tell Lisa, say, "Yo, just call Vybz Kartel. That email really begs with. Seeing in and if you talk certain things and expose certain things, just lower off a Shawty name." This is what he said. Check this out.
Boy, I have to deal with this. First and foremost, I'm going to talk about Lisa Hype. Lisa Hype is somebody where I love, and I rate, and I respect. Likewise, Shawty come from a community, and I love, and I rate, and I respect. Shawty call a Bubba's daughter, and, you know, separate from Vybz Kartel. Me know her first. You understand? So you hear me I say right now, Lisa, just press her for that thing and not allow Shawty. You understand? Lisa, the people them love you. Them say you're bad, them know you're a bad writer, and they know everything is going good. Whatever you and Kartel have, my general, reach out to Lisa. Because I figure more if you don't reach out to her, she'll go continue to damage her own legacy. And maybe speak some things where not necessarily should be talk about or speak or, you know, elaborate. Oh boy.
After that, no, Lisa went live again for the 11th time and I say, you know, for the Shawty, family, for Shawty family, no bad, that bad like fear. And it's like he must say if him tell if him tell Lisa to love him, if he tell Shawty to love her too. One bugger back and forth. You know, check this out, yo.
Nothing. A while ago you call me and say my career go good and my song hard drive bad and whatever. Zine? You call me and I say me for just focus on my career and me feel low off a Shawty name. If you afraid of Shawty family them, me no blood clot afraid of her family them. Me no afraid of Obia walking auntie, dirty auntie named Angela. Tell Shawty, me tell you say, if you go out and say that, me fi stop, tell Shawty fi love me too. Zine? Tell her fi love me too. Tell her auntie fi stop walk the Obia them where them a walk pan me. Because Shawty family them not bad like my family. You hear me I tell you? You know my family nothing you don't know nothing about me, you know. Kartel know about me. Kartel know my family them. Adija Palmer know my family them. You don't know me nothing. You don't know nothing about me. With the blood clot you call my phone a while ago. If you save yourself, save yourself. If you afraid of them, afraid of them. Me not afraid of them. Me tell you say me nah come back out, come talk nothing, you know. You hear what me I say to you? Me tell you say me nah, me tell you say me I focus on my business and my career. No, what you do a while ago, you should do it. Furthermore, I talk to Kartel, I'm liar. Kartel liar, and my liar. Kartel is still my manager, if you no never know. Nobody true him silent and him not say no. Him just a wait till me calm down. You understand what me I say? I've been used, I've been abused, I've been raped, I've been beaten. Them walk up upon me 4 times and them still a try walk up upon me now. You understand what me I say? And not my fault why Adi love me more than Shawty. Zine? Tell her auntie, dirty Angela, for stop walk the obia where them a walk upon me. Tell them that. Zine? Stop going like you no love me. Cause when me did need people, me never hear from you nothing. I never hear from you when me I go through my stress. And me I go through when me I go through. When me did get the up of you and them a give me the mad people injection, them me no hear from no now, no the whole hour go suck out to no mama. Ball love. One no nothing about love. And at the last time me I come out, come talk. If you don't think me a joke dog. My family them a suffer. Me have my family them for take care of. Me have my granny for take care of. Me have my father for take care of. Me have my mother for take care of. Me have my sister for take care of. Me a pregnant. Me pregnant. And I have my pitney for take care of. Because me not depend on man for take care of my pitney. Me not depend on no boy for take care of my pitney. And me I go take care of me and mines. Here, what you did there? What you did there? When me I get used and abused and rape and beat and what the blood clot you did there? Eh? Me not afraid that she and her family them. And if I war a blood clot war, you no allow me here. You no allow me here. See it here.
The other day, Lisa Hype did a video shoot for her song Cups Up, and as you guys can see, Rosalie was in there. Rosalie is saying that Lisa Hype never paid her for the video shoot, or for her appearance in the video. She only paid her for promotion. So Rose come now and a class her and I say she want back her money and I say hey, everybody in a Gaza rev out her front. Yo, Rose angle and deal with Lisa so weird to this out.
I'm so sure at you know. Remember Lisa Hype at Gaza dog bed. Remember Lisa Hype at Gaza dog bed. Remember good. Remember who the whole we know. She had Gaza dog bed. What of them fucker in the empire, the majority of them. So when she go around that panel and that must sit her then. Lisa, you actually hear me and you know, him show your love, him show your attention, him deal like civilized people, you fall in love with the DJ. And I talk about oh DJ breed you. Look how much nice girl in the world, the man is a mad man. What the man do the own a shit house. I don't want to pay my bumbo clot money. You hear what you say? Your baby bad breed it dead there. And I chew me smell. What kind of rat me smell? You want me to tell the people say me get your rap sheet? Yeah. Me get Lisa Hype rap sheet. Me get fear rap sheet. You know when I go through immigration a rap sheet long so Lisa Hype. Lisa them on nobody? Also, I'm gonna go my house dirty. Me can't tell Lisa Hype them on nobody. Cause them come and see you over train line come on out, ear so, and them image. But say, well, Lisa Hype go over train line go come on out, yasso, and them image. Lisa Hype don't know nobody. Over train line them have Lisa Hype as a mad girl in a clean clothes. Mad smarty. Mad sick head no blood good. She need to go back over train line. She can come back and go over train line and see what she go get. And that she need for blood clot though.
Now there's this rumor going around that Blamdem allegedly pull up a Pretti Don yard with gun and threaten her because she called up him name panning live. But then Blamdem go live and release some voice notes say it was them they plan up here and say a prank. But then Pretti Don release a video where I see on screen and she say, yo, she not busy about no voice note. She busy I look about I try to find somewhere to live. But Blamdem come back again and I say she was in on it. Both of them were on it and I say she want $3,000 by the end of the month. So it's a one bag of he says she tell him say he need to go report to the police station because her life threatened. But in come I expose some more things, so check this out.
Thinking catches Pretti Don, arm of a dial, nastiness, dog shit, liar crosses gal. Go and go. And not more than in guys station I try to set me up for me get deported and a problem. And he say no work and he come with the internet. Look thinking arm of a dial. Drunk up. Dog shit. Me can't go up apps and wear no mask. Dirty arm of a dial, gal. Nasty thinking Pretti Don. Hungry belly Pretti Don. Broke pocket Pretti Don. Top tell bumbuckler lie. Tell the people them say a prank. Dog shit. We tell like Nicki Minaj. Top tell like on the bumbuckler to man. Tell the people them say a liar bumbuckler tell pan you man. How the hell me go there on the phone with the woman and a video. Eh? A video. How the hell me go tell the people paper, me tell you it's a paper. In my real dog, them my friend, I never know. Me never know paper. And him a big up real dog. Paper into bumbuckler lie. That's the him make people post more. It has alleged that Nicki was on the phone with Blamdem. How the hell me and Nicki on the phone and a video. Eh? They're chatting with me, bro. It's meant to want to do it, bro.
Do you think that this was a prank? This was a setup? Because some people are say Pretti Don was on it, and I was on a few lives earlier, and some people are say Pretti Don was in on it, and it looked like she flipped this script because Blamdem must say Pretti Don and World Dog are friend, and I set them and set him up because they know man I'm up here want him and they want him get deep. That's why she are coming with the whole police business. But I don't know, yeah, man, there's three sides to a story. What he said, what she said, and what really happened. But you guys tell me what you think about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching. If this is your first time on my channel, subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest updates. Leave a like on the video, leave a comment, and share. I'll see you next time. Bye.